Hello, in the previous video when we talked about Grafana, I showed you how you can migrate Grafana SQLite database to Postgres. And in the end of the video, I said that after you did the migration, you also need to change some columns in the tables. I identified some of the changes which needs to be done, but I cannot be sure that these are all the changes. And also I said that if you have an error, you can also have a look at the logs and see what query causes the problem, and then find the wrong column in the database in a table and then fix it. And in this video, I will show you how you can do it. Okay, here I have a Grafana. And now, for example, if I want to add a new team, I have this error. And now I want to find out why we have this error and what's the problem with the database. Okay, let's start. First of all, I prepared a guide. I will add a link to this README file in the description for the video. And the first thing we have to do, let's first have a look at the logs in Grafana itself and try to identify the problem. Grafana logs are here. And now let's try to make the error again. Create. Now we have the error, and let's see what we've got in Grafana. So in Grafana we have this one. So we know that there is something wrong with the table because there is a begin column, and but we try, instead of 0 or 1 or some kind of integer, we are trying to put false there. But as you can see, we cannot see the name of the table, and we cannot define what the problem is. That's why first we need to enable query audit in Postgres. How to do it? Let's go to our README file. So first we need to find our configuration for our Postgres, and now we need to implement these changes. Okay, this one we change to all. The next one we take this. Here we need to put 0 to log all statements. Just put it over here. Then this one, I think it should be good. Yeah, this one is good. And then we need to enable the log directory like this. Yeah, okay, we enabled it. Now let's save it. And now we need to restart Grafana over here. Let's restart it. It's restarted. And now we can see the logs. Let's see the logs. Here, you see right now we can see all the query statement. And now let's try to recreate the error. I push create again, error, and then I will stop the logs. And now I will try to find the error. See, here it is. So we found the error. We found the query, so insert into which table we can see it. So and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy it, for example, like this. Then I will open, for example, Cloud Code, and I say that I have an error in Grafana. How can I fix it? Okay, like this. Now I need to wait and see what it says. It says that there is a problem with version. No, it's not a problem with version. So I know that the problem is with the column in the table. Instead of boolean, it should, instead of big int, it should be boolean. How can I fix it? Yeah, like all LLM, sometimes it gives you the right solution, sometimes not. And okay, right now you see it says that I think it is provision. So try to fix it. Okay, let's try to fix it. What we need to do, we need to connect to our database on the Postgres. I connected. Now I move to Grafana database. And now I will try to execute this one. I cannot cast type. So what I can do, I can say it again to LLM, and now I think it will give me a better result. Sometimes it give you a good one, sometimes not. But you know, for example, you can try here many solutions, but I already know a good one. So let me try to find what can be done. So I already edited to my repository. It's here, and I think it should be somewhere in the end. It's over here. Yeah, this one. So basically you can execute this one. Okay, let's try to execute. You see the table is altered. I can quit it. Now I need to restart Grafana. Okay, I changed it. Now I can try to execute the command again, and as you see, the team is created. So that's how you can identify the queries. Just don't forget to disable the logs later, because it provides too much load on the database. And that's it. That's how you can find the query. Thank you. Bye.